Hey, so I'm MCP, aka Michael Caden Pike. This is my Patreon intro video. I do contact staff, which is one of the spinning / flow arts, and I make contact staff tutorial videos as well as double staff, dragon staff, staff on staff contact tutorial videos as well. And if you become my Patreon / patron, you can get access to my old DVD content. You get early access to my upcoming tutorial videos. You can get early access to my apps as well as them all for free. And you can even get me to make a custom tutorial for you. What could be better than that? But the real benefit of Patreon is that you support me. And that's not just financially, but also kind of in your belief as well, that you believe in me enough to help me continue to make my art. Yeah. Oh, if you can hear some bad stuff in the background or some weird noises, I think you know who the culprit is. Who is it, Lila? Lila, who is it? Who is it? Who was it? Was it you, Lila? Was it you? Was it you?